Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a bonus reading for you. And as you know, they are general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. And for a personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And you can follow me on Instagram. And for that also, the details are in the link is in the description box below. And on Instagram, the readings are done in Hindi as well as in English. So let's get started. Oh. What are the messages from this deck? Okay, this one wants to. Okay, so Cancerians, you are in a pretty good position, financially stable, authoritative. You have things under your control. You have your materialistic things under your control at least, and you are financially stable, very stable. And here you are the Empress. So I think you are feeling very empowered as for now, stable in every form, content, happy, ready for the new beginnings, and there are new beginnings which are coming in your life. Maybe some of you are becoming a parent, can be that. But yes, it's abundance. Basically, you are having abundance in your life as for now. That's what I can say. You are dealing with abundance. You have the abundance in your life. You are you feel empowered. You feel happy. You are happy with the new beginnings which are coming up in your life. You are ready for a new beginning out here. Financially stable, emotionally stable, stable in every way. And yes, then there is a new beginning. With the Page of Wands, you want to move forward towards something. You have something you want. Something is there in your vision, and you are moving, you are getting ready for that. And again, I'm feeling maybe some of you are becoming a parent, but for others, because everybody won't become a parent out here, but yes, for others, it is definitely some opportunity. You have something your eyes are set on, and you want to move towards that. You are being ready. Okay, you are getting ready to move forward in that particular direction with the confidence and the enthusiasm. All you're having that confidence, you have that enthusiasm to and that focus to move ahead. And yes, with the Wheel of Fortune, things are moving forward. Things will get going. What I feel here is just be aware of people who are trying to pull your leg from behind. Okay, I think there is somebody there in your vicinity who keeps on stinging, sort of. This person is always there in your vicinity to sting you or to pull you back when you try to move forward. And from there comes this struggle. Okay, there comes the struggle out here, and it is because of somebody there in your vicinity, in your surroundings, who is not a very good energy. Okay, and because of that person or that environment, there is a lot of struggle in which you have to defend yourself. You have to you have to defend your ground each and every time. You have to prove yourself. Okay, every time you are fighting for your own name. Okay, so like you have to defend your name, your title, your designation, or your ground. You have to defend your ground every time. You have to prove every time. It's becoming a struggle for you. And then what you decide is, you decide to be closed off to some extent. You are not sharing things with people. You are not sharing your possessions. You are not sharing your feelings. You become a little guarded and closed off because according to your situation, you feel that it is a better way to be. maybe that is the lesson you learn out of the situation, and you feel content with that. You are happy in this mode that you're not sharing things with anyone, and now you feel things are under your control. Okay, and then you feel that things are under your control and you are happy that way. With the sun out here, you are very happy that way, and you think you are, you feel stable. Basically you feel stable, you feel in your power when you are like that. So what I'm getting here is that because of this situation which causes you to struggle, you think that it's being okay, it's good to be alone, or at least to not to share things or information or feelings, whatever they are for you, and be to yourself. And that gives you that confidence, it gives you that strength, it gives you that balance, and it gives you that happiness. And you once you are able to regain this balance and confidence, you passionately want to move towards somebody or something, and you are starting something new. With the Magician, a new beginning is there on the horizon. Definitely a new beginning is there. There is a little bit of struggle out here, yes, but then nothing much. I think you are able to deal with it, and you are able to start a new journey in some way, shape or form, with somebody or alone, whatever. But yes, it's a new beginning of your life. And over here you are seeking comfort. Over here, by you are creating stability by just looking back and just seeing as to how things were, and like as if it's like learning from the past mistakes, and trying to create the stability by learning from the past mistakes. And perhaps, yes, I've already said that. Okay, just looking behind and seeing, okay, this was the mistake I did, and this is how it was supposed to be. It's something like that. And with it, learning from those experiences, you have learned it. That's what I said. And now you are in a controlled and happy position to start a new beginning, and you are definitely creating happiness for you. I'm getting that from this card also. You are definitely creating happiness. You are definitely in for a beautiful new beginning, Cancerians. Be happy for that. Okay, hope it helps. Thank you.